2 at the JMT. Time to wake up. Getting ready to leave. We already have breakfast, fill up our waters in the creek, and now we're gonna hit the trail. We are leaving our campground, and yes, this is our first river crossing. It's not too bad. You know, every season change. Can be other days where this water is gonna be strong. So just be careful with the wet rocks. I already semi-asleep earlier filling my water and got my feet wet a little bit. So let's continue. So after we start the trail, we just hike up all the way like for 40 minutes, and it looks like we are going uphill from now. Now we got to a flat area, and it looks nice here, right? It's a lot of tree, and there is a lot of nice campgrounds, but the only thing is that there is not much water around here. So yesterday was a great spot. Thinking about the water, and it's always good to start hiking early because at least you can get a few hours of no heat. After like a mile hike going up, we found the next water source. I'm getting close to crab tree now. And you guys can see the rocks. It looks really nice. Now I can hear a thunderstorm. You're gonna find a few of these when you're doing the whole JMT. When I was doing Sobo last year, I was like, should I cross this or no? It was like, you know, kind of confusing, but then I figured out you just go through it. Now the rain is heavier, guys, so I will look for kind of a shelter under the trees and wait for my friend. Before the crab tree there is a bird canister, and it's still raining. Now we got to the water source. So this is basically the crab tree campground, and you guys can see the water. Now we got to this junction, and from the Rock Creek where we camped last night is 6.3 miles, so we already hiked 6.3 miles since morning. And if you've seen the sign over there, it says Whitney, but we are not going to Whitney. We are going now to the John Muir trail, so we gotta go that way. So peaceful right here. There's a nice tree over there. It's like a split in two. Right now I just got to another water supply, and we are really close to the Wallace campground. It stopped raining by now, and now it feels a little bit warmer, which is nice. Now it's going down to the Wallace campground, where there is also a creek. And I just arrived to the campground Wallace, close to Wallace Creek. I think Wallace Creek is gonna be a little bit more forward, and there is a dirt box, which is nice. So let's keep going. Now it's 1 p.m. and we're gonna stop here. I like it because there is the creek. Just finished lunch. Now we are going to cross this creek, and as soon as we cross it, there is a sign over there. Let's read what it says. Forester Pass 9.4 and Crab Tree 4.4. So we already hiked like 10 miles already. It would be nice if we can make it to Forester Pass. And the other route is for Junction Maro. We are not going that way, guys. We're going Forester Pass, so we gotta take that one over there. And we just got to another water source, and also we have to cross it. Right now we are good, but if you guys are here, please make sure that you carry some water, because it's gonna be a few miles until the next one. Up, it's a nice view. You can see the mountains over there. Going up now. In the second day of hiking, I noticed the trail has a lot of rocks. Now we are getting to a more open part of the trail. Looks like a storm is coming. I can hear the thunderstorms. Look at this, guys, storm is coming. It has a nice view. So we are 2 miles from another creek, Tyndall Creek. This one lake over there, that's the Bighorn Lake. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's another good spot to get water. You know, it's getting super windy though. So, let's see. Can you guys hear the storm? There is a marmot up there. Hello, buddy. Don't be scared. How are you? There is a marmot and it's getting really bad. Right now it's 3 p.m. We're gonna get to the creek and see how it goes. So far, we saw the marmot by the Bighorn Lake. That was my favorite view. And now I'm here at the campground by the Tyndall Creek, and there is a junction. There is a ranger station, Tyndall Creek on the right, and JMT trail is that way, so I gotta go that way. We just got to another sign, just like 4 minutes walk from the other sign. So we gotta go that way. We are 5 miles from Forester Pass. That's nice. Gotta go that way. You can still hear the creek. You can hear the creek, so we are expecting we're gonna hit more water over there. And now we just arrived to the creek. Well, part of the creek. And all around here is camping spots. Hello. So we can camping like everywhere here. You wanna go a little bit and check around? Okay. So we set out camp today, and we just ate dinner, fancy dinner, spaghetti with meatballs and wine. Anastasia already washed her clothes, and I think we're gonna sleep early tonight because we hiking all day to recover for tomorrow.